Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anand Gupta. I'm an ACCA affiliate, and today I will tell you how to do ACCA in 1.5 years. So I'm assuming that you have to do 13 exams and you have no exemptions available. Yeah. So before starting the video, we must know that there are 3 levels in ACCA. And we need to know the exam patterns. So there are 3 levels: knowledge, skill and professional level. In knowledge level, the entire paper is 100% MCQ. In skill level, there are 6 exams, and the first and the F4, the fourth paper, which is the first paper of skill level, that is law, that is also 100% MCQ. And the first 4 exams, the 3 exams of knowledge level and the 1 exam of skill level. So these 4 exams are business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting and law. These 4 exams are 100% MCQ. So, and these are very simple exams. Like you can do these exams in just 20 to 25 days of preparation. It's not like tough. It's if you are spending like 2 to 3 hours in a day per subject, you can easily pass these subjects. So you have, like, just suppose you give 25 days per exams. 25 into 4, that is 100 days. So let's assume in 100 days you do these 4 exams: business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting, law. So we are done with 4 exams. Yeah. Now the 5 exams are remaining of the skill level. So I wanted to start your skill level with financial reporting, because it's basically accounts. You might have studied accounts in your class 12th and 11th or in graduation also. So this is a subject you're familiar with, and this paper will give you insight of how the remaining papers would be. So as I told you before, the exam pattern is 60% is MCQs and 40% is your you have to type the answer. And in that 40 marks there will be 2 questions, 20 marks each. So this paper is fairly, moderate. You can't say it's very easy, and it's definitely not very hard. And I want you to give 3 months for the preparation of this subject. Just take your time, go easy with it, just to understand how skill level papers are designed, and how they need to be approached and how they need to be attempted. Now we have 4 exams. So 4 exams are performance management, financial management, audit and assurance, and taxation. So I want you to make pairs, like which is the most compatible exam. So you can give either. So I want you to give 2 exams in the next attempt. Either you can give PM, performance management, and FM in one attempt, because there are many chapters which are similar in these both subjects. So that's why I'm recommending to give these 2 exams in your next attempt. Or if you want to give taxation and audit in your next attempt, you can give that also. And remember one thing: whenever you give audit, always give audit after FR. You should have been done with financial reporting before you attempt audit and assurance, because in audit you might get asked to write the standard. You need to study the standards before writing them. So always give financial reporting before audit. So 3 months I want you to give, next 3 months, for studying performance management and financial management. It is not very difficult. If you give 2 hours per subject per day, I think that will do. And in last 1 week you can give 3 or 4 hours per subject as per your capacity. So now we have done the first 4 subjects in 100 days. We have taken 3 months for FR and 6 months for the remaining subjects. So in 1 year, we are done with 9 papers. Now we have remaining 4 exams of professional level. And the first exam I want you to give is Strategic Business Leader. Do not use your brain and just think of giving any other exams. I want you to start your professional level with Strategic Business Leader. It is the easiest exam in the entire ACC series. Believe me, you don't need to study anything. In fact, if you study more for this exam, if you start reading books for this exam, you might fail. This is an exam which will tell you what professional level is all about. This exam, ACCA has put this exam just to show you how we want you to think. So SBL will teach you how to write reports, how to write memos, how to write emails. So start your professional level with Strategic Business Leader. Okay, and one thing I just want to mention that please take coaching for this exam, because the students who do self-study, they tend to use exam kits and study texts for their preparation. But unfortunately, the answers written in the exam kit are unrealistic. I mean, you might develop a phobia of SBL if you touch books. So this is an exam which requires a mentor, a teacher. Books will make you mad. So there's one very famous teacher called Mr. Hassan Dosani. He teaches at WIFI, and I think he is god of Strategic Business Leader. And why I'm vouching for him, because I personally took coaching from him and he was brilliant. In fact, he told us, don't study books or you'll fail. So if you want to take coaching, please, you can watch his lectures. There's a 6-hour video of him on YouTube. That's the entire syllabus of SBL. You don't need anything else. You don't need to read any book. There's just a 6-hour video on YouTube by Mr. Hassan Dosani. Just do that and you are done with SBL. And with SBL, I want you to give Strategic Business Reporting, which is advanced version of financial reporting. Why am I telling you to do 2 professional level exams in 3 months? Is that possible? Yes, because SBL doesn't require you to study very hard. It's not a laborious paper. It is a very easy paper, and you can easily study. If you're like studying 2 professional level subjects at one time, I want you to give 80% of your time to study Strategic Business Reporting, SBR, and the 20% of time I want you to devote to SBL. That way you will be able to do both the subjects in one attempt, and it would be very easy. So we are done with 1 year, 3 months. So now, if you are at this point, if you are fired up, I want to do ACCA in this attempt, you can give 2 exams. Now you may ask which 2 exams I recommend. I would not say a word on this subject. I want you to choose the 2 exams out of the 4 exams based on your goals, your aspiration and your interests. What interests you? What is your career aspirations? Based on that, choose the 2 exams. And if you are like, I just want to clear ACCA as soon as possible, you can see the pass percentage, whichever exam has the highest pass percentage, you can choose that exam. AFM and ATX, Advanced Taxation and Advanced Financial Management, have the highest pass percentage. You can choose that, but I would recommend you can study AFM and audit. That's what I did, because taxation, the biggest disadvantage of studying taxation is because it is limited to one country. That's the biggest disadvantage. And APM, I didn't choose APM because I just hated the subject. I barely passed performance management in the skill level, so I was like, I don't want to do this subject. So I want you to choose as per your interest. Okay, don't listen to me. So either you can give 2 papers in that last 3 months, or you can give 1 paper for each attempt. And I recommend you to give 2 exams. Why? Because what can happen worst? Either you may pass one subject, you will definitely pass one subject, or you will pass both the subjects. What's the loss? Loss of money. And time is much more valuable than money. Okay, so give 2 exams. What worse? You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. So give 2 exams. If you fail, okay, I accept. Now see, if you study again for that exam, you can get national rank, global rank, because now you have read that subject twice. Yeah. So this way, the plan I have told you, you can easily do ACCA in 1.5 years or 1 year, 9 months. Yeah. And this plan is for students who are like full-time students. If you are doing job, that you have to, don't listen to me. Just focus on what is your capacity. Don't go beyond your capacity. You'll exhaust yourself. You can have, it can take toll on your mental and physical health. Okay, so the end. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you have any further query or I have missed some point, I'm your ACCA mentor. Just type it down. I will give you the most honest advice. If you need any advice regarding coaching, study tips, anything, just type it down. Or if you have an idea on what topic I should make my next video, you can type that down too. Okay, and I will be answering all the comments. Okay, so this is like, it would be a very big motivation for me if I get subscribers, if I get some likes. That would make my day. Thank you so much. Bye.